Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Salaberry-de-Valleyfield has a population of around 45,000 people and serves as one of the largest cities in the Montérégie region of Quebec. The city is located approximately 50 kilometers southwest of Montreal, near the border with Ontario and the United States. Its location along major transportation corridors has made it an important regional center for commerce, manufacturing, and transportation for more than a century. The city was officially incorporated in the 19th century and was named after Lieutenant Colonel Charles-Michel de Salaberry, a French-Canadian military officer best known for his role in the War of 1812. De Salaberry became a major figure in Canadian history after leading troops during the Battle of Chateauguay in 1813, where British and Canadian force successfully stopped an American advance toward Montreal. The second part of the city's name, Valleyfield, was inspired by a town in Scotland. Salaberry-de-Valleyfield became heavily industrialized during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Textile mills, paper plants, and manufacturing facilities were built along the canals and waterways that provided both transportation and hydroelectric power. At one point, the city was considered one of the most important industrial centers in Quebec outside Montreal. Workers from many backgrounds settled in the area, helping shape the city's culture and economy. The Beauharnois Canal played a major role in the city's development. Originally built to help ships bypass difficult sections of the St. Lawrence River, the canal system helped turn Valleyfield into a strategic transportation and industrial hub. Later projects connected the area to the St. Lawrence Seaway, one of North America's most important shipping routes. Even today, ships and commercial traffic remain part of the region's identity. Modern Salaberry-de-Valleyfield combines its industrial history with tourism, recreation, and community events. The city is known for waterfront parks, marina facilities, and annual festivals that attract visitors from across Quebec. One of the best-known events is the Regates de Valleyfield, an international hydroplane racing competition that has been held for decades and draws large crowds every summer. The event has become one of the city's defining traditions and one of the most recognized hydroplane races in North America. Today, Salaberry-de-Valleyfield continues to balance industry, recreation, and residential growth. Its waterways remain central to daily life, shaping the city's economy, neighborhoods, and culture. Areas like Ile-de-Sur help show how closely the city is connected to the rivers and canals that first allowed the community to grow. For visitors, the city offers a combination of history, waterfront scenery, and regional character that reflects an important part of southwestern Quebec.